No matter what, as a wife and mother of 5 under 5, I'm always going to have hair oils on deck. There are 7 heads in this house and everybody needs their hair done all the time, okay? So I love the Via Naturals. I love these applicators. That's why I really get them. They do have bigger sizes, but I like these applicators. I have here the jojoba oil, the grapeseed oil, and the biotin oil. I've never seen the biotin oil, so I'm definitely trying this out for the first time, but it's biotin. It's 99% natural as well as 100% natural for the jojoba and the grapeseed oil. Now the jojoba oil, it helps to protect the hair strength. It helps to nourish and reduce breakage and shedding. The grapeseed oil helps to restore natural shine and vitality. And the biotin oil helps to promote healthy hair and nails. It's a vitamin B7. It helps to reduce hair loss, promotes hair and nail growth. So yes, you can use any of these on any part of your body. They're like face and body and hair type of oils. They're all natural, Via Naturals, and I love them so much. I highly recommend these. Anytime you're looking for hair oils, definitely check out Via Naturals. They have so many different types. I'll also link some other hair oils that I use as well, and you can check it out on my Amazon storefront.